Wow, wish I'm with it. You already know who it is. It's your boy, Joshua J Trades, back with another fire video. And today, we're going to start a segment called Losses. Hold on. Let me get it right. Forgive me. Just got off. But lessons, never losses. So we've been doing that at the end of the long form videos. We still gonna do them some long form videos at the end when I'm trading, whole style. I decided to take my little I wouldn't say privacy, but you know what I'm saying? When I blew my account, it kind of made me step back from the camera a little bit and refocus on my trading. You heard me, and just really dial in on what I wanted to give to my YouTube. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna start these segments off with lessons, never losses, and I'm gonna start a little series with that. You heard me? So this is the first part of that series. This is the first one I'm gonna drop. It's just a short video, just letting y'all know why I entered the trades that I entered, what was the result of those entries on those trades, what I learned from it, what I did wrong, what I did right, so that on your journey you can learn, do the same, or you can put in the comments and help me out even more. A young man in the comments, I forgot his name. I should have wrote it down, but he put lower your risk. That's all he had to tell me, because I noticed a lot of heavy hitters that I follow, they lowered their risk, and they doing very well for themselves. So we're gonna keep pulling, we're gonna keep kicking till we get that first payout, reinvest, get the multiple scaling accounts, and you already know what's happening. You know what we're gonna do with that. We're gonna reinvest again till we get to 20, 30, 40 accounts. You understand me? Scaling them up, copying them, making sure we take care of the family, right? So without further ado, here go the video. Tune in. And you already know what's happening, man. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell so you can see me. You heard me? Straight up. It's all good. It's all good. So, lessons, never losses. We locked out, protected. Good job on that. So, okay. It's funny. They right off of that. 61 too. So, my regular formation, volume profile, my regular system, right? Key entry point here, draw the line. So I typically do this so it could be all the way across, right? So it can be all the way across. Yeah, so here, point of control is purple. So I just draw a purple horizontal line across so I can see it all the way across. And same thing here. Key entry point high. I'll put it here. My original bias is supposed to be, if it's above the key entry point, both key entry points, we looking to take longs, right? Buy from a bullish market, as you can see. The reason why I entered those trades, the first trade, I took the first trade. Yeah, I got stopped out right here, believing that this was a wifey. We call this a wifey. So I just believed that this was a wifey trade, that it was going to, you know, we got your lower high right here. Or is it higher low? Lower high, higher low. No, I just got off trying to get my mind right. So lower high. Yeah, lower high. So and then we got this engulfing candle right here, so I just immediately jumped in. I do kind of got some new rules as far as, instead of just jumping in while the candle is still going, wait for the next candle, and that's where I messed up at. So that first trade, personal journal through this video for me is, I jumped the gun too early. I jumped into the engulfing candle instead of waiting for the close of that candle and the opening of the next one. You know, the opening of the next one going to jet around and it's going to let me know. And of course, it took me directly out, right? Then the second one, I seen this. and I automatically knew. Then I'm looking to the left. I'm already automatically knowing, okay, we got a little bit of support right here too from earlier today, right? From earlier today, starting at 7 o'clock. So I'm thinking, okay, we can at least get price to go right here. Then we made money. Second trade, made money. Had a little runner. Well, I took the $300 lick, but I also on that one I want to journal that lessons never losses, and never always wins, right? With the lessons is that I should have held on to my guns with a little bit more patience, and I probably would have made $400 on that trade, right? So, but just by waiting just a little bit longer, but taking a base hit, it's all good. You know, we had a little runner. We took a base hit of $300. That's cool. Risking 100. That's perfect. We got our money back that we lost plus some. That third trade was a little bit of a just a I don't want to call it a gamble, but it was what you see right here. You see it. You literally see it in real time. It snapped me out, took the money, dropped a little bit more, closed right here, opened here, and look where it's going. I know ES is gonna respect this 21, and that was my money right there. But it took me out. We still made money for the day. $70, almost $100 in profit. We are up on the week. We grateful, appreciative. So yeah, so we good. Weekly profit. Yeah, we good. We ain't tripping. Everything good. We immediately after that trade, we got a 3 trade rule now with smaller risk. And it goes better with my personality and my psychology. And we immediately followed our rules by locking out. So that's about it. You know, like I said, I drew this my little, because as you can see, it's got a ceiling. You got rejection. You got rejection. And then boom, you break through it. Then you come down, you retest it right here. Then you shot up. You come back down. You hit it again. Now you shoot up. You hit this area again. You shoot up. So my instinct was also the second trade. I took that money because I seen it getting ready to tap that support area. When in profit, must take base hits around support and resistance and around ranges. So when I seen this, I'm already knowing by looking to the left that I need to take profit in this area, right? And then a key point that I used tonight was pay attention to the nodes. So I pay attention to the nodes on the right-hand side. But as you can see, we still in a bullish market because we are above 2 key entry points. But I only trade price action to wherever price action is at that time. And we came out with a win tonight. So that'll work. 25K account. We doing good. Slow equals fast. Fast equals slow. So we taking things slow, you know, and just following our rules, you know. And that's about it. Straight up. You heard me? You already know. You already know.